upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't end up buying a toaster when you need a drone. Today, we're diving into the skies to compare two budget-friendly drones that are ready to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, the VISNEE newest drone. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies and which one will just crash and burn. Ready? Let's fly. Transition effect. First up, let's talk cameras because, let's face it, you're buying these drones to make your Instagram look like a travel magazine. The Heygelo S90 sports a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. It promises beautiful aerial scenery and real-time live video. Basically, it's like having a bird follow you around with a GoPro. On the other hand, the VISNEE newest drone boasts a 1080p HD camera too, but with a twist, a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K camera. So it's like having a bird that's also a contortionist. What's better, a steady bird or a flexible one? You decide. Both drones let you share your epic shots on social media instantly, so your followers can be just as jealous as you want them to be. But VISNEE's got that 2K edge. Heygelo, you might want to step up your game. Go split screen showing both drones' camera features. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air before they need a nap. The Heygelo S90 gives you up to 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Not bad for a drone that's probably smaller than your lunch. But wait, the VISNEE newest drone says, "Hold my propellers," with a whopping 30-minute flight time. That's 4 extra minutes to impress your friends or scare your neighbors. So if you want to spend more time in the sky and less time charging, VISNEE takes the cake here. Split screen showing flight time comparison. Heygelo, you're good, but VISNEE is like that friend who always shows up fashionably late but stays the longest at the party. Let's get into user-friendliness, because not everyone is born with drone piloting skills. The Heygelo S90 is packed with features like one-key start, land, altitude hold, and multiple control options: remote, app, voice, and gravity. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it's got 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotation to keep things spicy. VISNEE isn't slacking either. It offers one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. But it also has automatic obstacle avoidance, which is basically like having a drone with a sixth sense. And don't forget the 360 degrees flips and circle fly mode. So if you're a newbie, both drones got your back. But if you're prone to crashing into things, like your ex's new car, VISNEE's obstacle avoidance might save you some awkward explanations. Lastly, let's talk about portability. The Heygelo S90 is foldable and compact, making it easy to carry around. Just toss it in your backpack and you're good to go. It's like the pocket-sized drone you never knew you needed. VISNEE, not to be outdone, also has a clever, folding design and even comes with a carrying case. So, whether you're hiking up a mountain or just trying to impress your friends at a backyard barbecue, VISNEE's got you covered. Both drones are super portable, but VISNEE wins the style points with that carrying case. It's like the difference between showing up with a plastic bag versus a designer handbag. Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about these drones. For the Heygelo S90, users appreciate its durability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, though some have experienced issues with battery life and app functionality. On the other hand, the VISNEE newest drone is praised for its features like obstacle avoidance and portability, but some users have faced technical issues and short battery life. Overall, both drones offer great value for their price, but each has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. So there you have it, folks. The Heygelo S90 and the VISNEE newest drone both offer incredible features at the same price point of $59. Heygelo is great for beginners and those who love a multifunctional gadget, while VISNEE gives you a bit more flight time and some extra fancy features like obstacle avoidance. Which drone will you choose for your next aerial adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Upbeat music playing. End of video.